Okay, friends, good morning. Friends, here they given this question in 2018 SBA clerical mains. Friends, see here from 2017 to 2018. See here, previous question in 2017 they given this question in SBA PO mains. Next, this one is SBA clerical mains. But whatever the question they given in 2017 SBA PO mains, they repeated same question in 2018 SBA clerical mains. See here. Friends, total here we are having six horses. A, B, C, D, E and F are made to stand in a row facing north. A distance between two adjacent horses is increased from left to right in the consecutive integral multiple of 4. Friends, remember consecutive multiple or successive multiple both are same. See here. In the previous example, here they given one is what? A distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. Here they mention one is what? Consecutive multiple of 4. Yes. So here successive multiple and consecutive multiple both are same. Yes, leave it. Now friends, here take first point. A distance between C and D is 60 meter. Yes, take here horse C and horse D. Between C and D distance is for 60 meter. D and C is 60 meter. Otherwise C and D is for 60 meter. Yes. Distance between C and D is 60. Otherwise D and C is 60. Leave it. Next point is what? Only two horses are stands between them. Distance between C and D is 60, but between C and D here we are having two horses. Here also between D and C here we are having two horses. Yes. Now, friends, check here. Take here one point. This total distance between C and D, total distance is what? 60 meter. But between C and D here we are having two horses. Suppose if I take this one is what? X. Next multiple, successive multiple is what? 4. That means if I take this one is x means next one it will be increased by 4. That means x plus 4. Next one is what? X plus 8. That means see here. Here friends, x plus 4 plus x plus 8. This the total distance is equal to 60. Yes. Now x total is what? 3x plus 12 equal to 60. 3x equal to 48. Now x equal to 16. Yes. So now this distance is what? 16. 16. Next one is for 20. Next one is for 24. Next one is compulsory 28. Y means successive multiple of 4. 28. Next one 32. Next again 1 horse. Then and so on. Next before one is for 12. Again 1 horse. Here 8. 1 horse and so on. Yes. Now take here also. This one is for 16. 20. 24. Next one is compulsory 28. Again 1 horse. 32, again 1 horse, 36, then and so on. Before multiple, 12, 1 horse, 8, 1 horse, and so on. Yes. Friends, once if you are able to take these successive multiples means now information will becomes easy. Leave. F sits immediate left of C. Now see this one. F is immediate left of C. Y means starting dimension is what? All horses are facing north. F is immediate left of C. In this case, F is immediate left of C. C facing north means left hand and right hand. F is immediate left of C. Next, leave. A sits somewhere to the right of F. A is somewhere right of F. Suppose F. A here right of F possibility. Here also chance. Here more possibility. A is somewhere right of F. Here chance. Here also chances. Leave it. Next point is what? And distance between them is successive multiple of 6. See here. A is somewhere right of F, but distance between F and A is what? Multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Leave. Go for next point. Distance between C and B is 44. Now, C and B is 44. Suppose check here left of C, 44. Here, this then chance to get 44. 12 plus 8, no chance. Then check here right of C, 16, 20, 36. Then no chance to get 44. That means simply this arrangement is no chance. Now, distance between C and B is 44. Then right of C. Here 28, 32. No chance to get 44. Then check here left of C. 24, 20. Total is what? 44. That means one is for here horse B. Now distance between C and B is 44. C and B. 24 plus 20. Total is what? 44. Yes. Now let's check here. Previous point is what? A sits somewhere right of F. A is somewhere right of F. F this one. Suppose if I take here A. Distance between A and F is what? 24, 28. Here this one is what? Here 20, 32, 52. But our requirement is what? Distance between A and F is multiple of 6. 52 is not multiple of 6. That means for A here, no chance. Now take here A. Now distance between F and A is what? 24, 28. Here this one is what? Here 52. Next this one is what? 54, 84. Here 84 is multiple of 6. 6 ones are here 6 fours are. Yes. Now distance between F and A is what? Multiple of 6 and A is somewhere right of F. Friends, total how many horses we are having? 6. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses are completed. Yes, leave it. Now remaining horses is what? A completed, B completed, C, D. Next remaining is what? Here E. Remaining is what? E. Yes. Now this one is not required. Now this side also this one is not required. Leave it. Next point is what? Horse A starts moving towards east. Friends, till now they are talking about only arrangement. Now moving. Horse A starts moving towards east after moving 12 meters. Yes. RCA starts moving towards east. After moving 12 meters, it turns to right. Yes, it turns to right. Next, and walks for 20 meters. Yes, see here the given one is what? RCA starts moving towards east. After moving 12 meters, it turns to right and moves for 20 meters. Again, it turns to right. Yes, facing south means left and right hand. Turns to right. Next and moves for 60 meters. Yes, up to A is what? Here 12. Up to E, distance between A and E is what? 32. But see here 32 here total is what? 44. But our requirement is what? It should move 60 meters. 44 means remaining is what? 16 meters. Remaining is what? 16. See here. R here starts moving towards east. After moving 12 meters, it turns to right and moves for 20 meters. Again turns to right, moves for 60 meters. 12 plus 32, total is what? Here 44, 16. Total is what? Here 60 meters. From there, after turning to its left, yes, here it's taking left turn and right turn. Left turn and walking for a distance of 5 meters. Yes, walking for a distance of 5 meters. It comes to halt at point M. Yes, now leave it. Go for next one. Horse F moves in north direction. Yes, F is moves in the north direction for a distance of 12 meters and then turns to its left. It turns to its left and moves for 26 meters. F and B, this one is what? 20, remaining is what? 26. 20 plus 6, 26 meters. After again taking one more turn to its left, stops at point N after walking 5 meters. Yes, after walking 5 meters, it stops at point N. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? Horse D walks south. Now horse D is walking south and travel for 10 meters before turning to its left. Now it is taking left turn. Yes, it's taking left turn. After 24 meters, now 24 meter, 16. Now remaining is what? Here 8. 24 meter. Again it turns to right. Facing east means left and right hand, turns to right and moves for, see here, and moves for 15 meters. Yes, and takes right turn and moves for 15 meters. Yes, now this is the end point. For A. Now friends, see here to here, this one is for 10. Next here to here, this one is for 15. 10 plus 15, total is for 25. Here take here to here is for 20. Here this one is for 5, 25. That means these two are horizontally in one line. Yes. Now friends, see here given question is what? What is the distance between final positions of A and D? Final positions of A and D. This is the final positions for A and this is the final positions for D. Yes. Now distance between final positions of A and D. Yes. Now friends, check here. From between B and F, total distance is what? 20. But here 8 complete means now remaining is what? Here 12 meters. Now F and C, this distance is what? 24 meters. Yes. Now E and C, total is what? 28. But here how much is completed means here 16 completed. Remaining is what? Here 12. Friends, see here 12 plus 12. Here total is what? 24. 24 plus 24. Total is what? Here 48. So a distance between final points of A and D is what? 48. Yes. So friends, like this in 2018 SBI clerical mains they gain total 5 questions. Yes. So friends, these successive models and successive or consecutive multiple models are very important.